Hi there, my name is Kelsey and I'm a 2015 graduate of Ferris State University. I completed my bachelor's degree in education and I currently live in Rogers City where I teach 3rd and 4th grade. One of my favorite things to teach my kids is art. So today we're going to be working on an art project using at-home materials. I know with everything going on in the world, it's hard to find new hobbies and activities, so this is going to be a really easy one that you can do on your own or something with kids of all ages. So to begin, you'll need your materials. First, you'll need paper towel, olive oil, crayons or colored pencils, mason jar lids of various sizes if you have them, either one will work, twine, string, yarn, something to hang your project from, scissors, a marker, cotton balls, and a coloring page. Now this can be an image that you find online and print on white paper, or it can be something from a coloring book. If you choose to print something online, it's going to make your project a little bit brighter because we are going to be making your very own sun catchers. And they're going to look something like this. So to begin, first you will need to pick out an image of something that you want to color. You can do flower designs, you can do spring designs, anything that interests you. After you are done coloring with either crayons or colored pencils, it's going to look something similar to this. Second step, you'll need to grab a mason jar lid. I'm, for this one, going to use the smaller lid. What you'll do is place it over the image that you've colored, grab your marker, and you are going to trace the lid. When you go to trace it, you want to make sure that you are tracing on the outside so that your image doesn't fall through the lid. Once you are done tracing, go ahead and grab your scissors. And for this, you are going to cut on the outside of the line too, just to make sure that it doesn't fall through. Now, if you use a big enough image, you will have bigger scraps left over in case you want to make a second sun catcher. So put those off to the side, and it should look like this. Then you're going to take your paper towel and a cotton ball and your olive oil. For this step, you're going to take the olive oil and cover the entire image. This is what's going to reflect the sunlight for your sun catcher. The big thing with this step is you want to make sure that you are not overdoing it. Less is more. Just make sure that you cover your image completely so that the whole thing will shine. Once you put the olive oil over your sun catcher, you're going to want to put this off to the side and let it dry for about 5 minutes. I went ahead and already put olive oil on a different one and it's already dried, so it should look like this once it's done. Then you're going to take your lid and your image, flip the lid over, and very lightly, you're going to want to push in your sun catcher design. For extra security, if you want to put a little bit of glue in, you can. I chose not to, but for extra security, you can. Afterwards, it's going to look something like this. The last and final step for your sun catcher is going to be with the twine, string, or yarn, whatever you choose to wrap around your lid. I went ahead and already did this, but what you'll need is a piece of twine, string, or yarn that's long enough. And what you'll do is wrap around the outside and secure. And then you'll take the top and make a loop, tie, and secure. That way you'll be able to hang your sun catcher. And when you are all completed, your sun catcher will look like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay healthy. We've got this, Bulldogs. See you later.